two questions I often get asked, which kind of interlink, is, how will the course help with my kind of profitability, and how will it help develop my career? I think in terms of career development, the great thing we have with the course is we have the level 1 course. And for those of you who then want to take it further, you can do the level 2 course and then take it up to the postgraduate diploma and the clinical case portfolio. So that really gives you a kind of career development pathway. Also with the course as well, don't forget we have the online forum, and we have kind of the study clubs, and so it's a kind of progress through in a supportive environment. So it's really about kind of really changing your whole kind of clinical skill set really. The second part which links in with this is how does it help with profitability? Well, in a number of ways really. We will equip you with the skills to, say, undertake a private EMAX crown or a private quality composite restoration. So you'll be able to offer more private restorations, etc., to your patients. So something like that. So it concentrates on those little small jobs. However, what's equally important is kind of risk-based diagnosis, perio-stability, etc. So we'll also equip you with the skills to kind of, in essence, sell perio, but also equip you with things like occlusal skills. So you undertake these kind of treatments in a more predictable, long-lasting way, so that the treatments that you provide will have longevity as well. And so the whole course is multidisciplinary. We link with ortho, we link with perio, materials, etc. So it's all really designed from a clinical aspect, to improve your clinical skills, give you a pathway, but also, yes, definitely increase your predictability and your profitability in practice as well.